Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude, smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors, I'm the man in the city, I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
What up, y'all? So, you know, I had to rebuild this bad boy a couple times. So this is the first flight since putting the new landing gear, the props, and all that in. Also, check out the cave, looking all nice. That right there, that's the Black American Heritage flag. Education for you. So we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully, I was there. I already know how the flight went. But y'all get to find out by watching the video. Yeah, it went fine. Spoiler alert, it went fine.
All right, we got pictures and everything, so now we can fly. All right, shake the nerves off a little bit. There we go. Gear still down. We'll do a gear off pass. Yep. So was the left side. Try it again. There we go. Yeah, it wiggles a little bit with the wind, but it stays pretty. I mean, it goes the direction I'm pointing it. Yep. It really is. It feels good. Oh. Come back this way here. another high speed. Come back this way here. Yeah, these mid rates right here are good for, I feel like, practice more so than the low rates. Change that battery out. Gear down. Ooh, woo. Right back up. Oh, too soon, don't rush it. Or too late, I should say. No, they're still up. Yeah. That wasn't the smoothest, prettiest landing, but I'm on the wheels. Yeah. There was one that was a little off kilter, that's why it stuck. I can see it already snapped. I'm just gonna leave them off. Oh. Any damage otherwise? Nah. Yeah, both gear doors are broken. That was kind of a rough landing. I was like, but I don't know how much juice is left on this battery. I don't want to get... I'd rather have that than just completely crash. I seen flies.
It's hard finding the right speed where it doesn't want to lift.
Yeah. It's sexy.